Alright. As you can see, this is filming on a webcam. It's pretty sick. 512 over there. No, like,
not 512.
I mean, I'm at 512, but green light down there. 512 West down there. And Main Street. We're just waiting for the approach of train number 101. How's this for a webcam, people? You like that? Pretty steady. Am I right? I must be right. Or am I? But that's pretty good. That's pretty good footage right here. Got this over cantilever over here. Let's take a... It goes down. You have signal. There's my little backpack right there, and there's 12 by 24 inch lights. 12 by 24 inch lights over here. 12 by 20 on the signal that you're facing right about now. This one's a mismatch. You have 12 by 24 right here and 12 by 20. Then you have both 12 by 20 over here. So, yep, here's the crossing. Thought the train was coming, that's why I was kind of rushing a bit. Alright, FEC train number 101 is coming. I hear the engines of that engine rumbling at this point. See, 512 just came on. There's a biker tried to beat the train to the tracks, but that's okay because the signals haven't activated yet. R8 unit is on the lead, and here we go. Probably hardly see the lights. That was good. Well, there you have it, FEC train number 101. This is BBT 609 at County Road 512 East Crossing on the Florida East Coast Main Line. Out.